In a related development, Toyota Motor Philippines soon after launched the all-new 2019 Vios at the Okada Manila in Paranaque City. The all-new Vios replaces the previous model, which has been on sale in the Philippine market since the year it was launched in 2013.
This time we changed my exterior interior design more advanced emotional image vehicle. So and that will fit for you. That is one reason. And the second reason, we changed my vehicle noise level and performance improved. So this is a very quiet car. And third reason, this is a safety car. We adopted 7 airbags totally. So it's very safe. And we already got the 5-star rating in ASEAN Gap. That's the 3 big reasons.
The 2019 Vios presents a completely new design while maintaining its power core of 1.3 and 1.5 engines that was ported by the previous generation model. From the base model to the top of the line, it comes equipped with 7 airbags, EBD, and brake assist. The 2019 Vios will be available in 6 variants: 1.3 base model, 1.3J, 1.3E prime, 1.5G, and 1.5G prime.
The sales volume in the first half of this year was dropped, I think around more than 10%. But that is because of this Vios old models short supply, because we already prepared the introduction of a new model, so we reduce our supply. So, and also as everybody affected, the excise tax was increased starting this year. All of the demand happened, or rush demand happened in the last year. So naturally, the demand this year will be affected, meaning reduced. So I believe maybe second half, maybe starting this month, car demand is start to increase. Then also, I hope that because of this our new models, this is our Toyota's major models. So I believe this new model can stimulate the market. Then natural comeback the market trend, and also this new model stimulations. So I hope the market is going back to the normal level. Then this year total, still maybe because of a shortage in this first half, total whole year sales still maybe below the last year's sales result. But talking about the second half of the year, it will be already catching up.